Well guys, Mazda's here. Friggin' right. I'm excited. So now the rush begins. We got some jack stands that I'm gonna borrow. I'm going to, not today because I'm tireder as frig, but I'm gonna have to jack up the frame and, ooh, that's not looking so hot. Oh, son of a, the frame. No. I couldn't even look at this. Oh no, the frame's rotten. Damn it. Oh. Well, I'm gonna have to fix that. Frick. Yeah, because that's right close to where I need to weld the hanger. Damn it, that's not good. That's not good at all. Yeah, that's gonna set me back a little bit. But anyways, yeah, I got to cut off all the IFS. I got to cut these guys off and the rear shackle hangers off, and then move these rear springs up front, put the Toyota springs with the hangers and everything in the back. Hopefully I can reuse those U-bolts for now, just because I want to keep it rolling. Oh, that's depressing. I didn't even see it. I just didn't want to lay on the ground in the dirt and cow pies, so. But anyways, I gotta cut everything else off as well, torsion bars and everything. That's gonna be a lot of fun cutting the IFS off. But yeah, I'm really excited to get this going. Not so excited about that. That is so not cool. Not good, man. Yeah, I'll probably have to cut this off to fix it. Oh, that's so bad. Looks like it stops right about here-ish. But yeah, the other side looks a little better. This is acting just like a Toyota. They love to do that right there. Right where the box meets the cab. But yeah, so I got a fair bit of work to do. But I'm definitely looking forward to doing it. So anyways, yeah, Mazda's here. I can start chopping it and welding it. Yeah, other than that little bit of rust on the frame. Ooh, didn't notice that either. Oh well. Oh, now it's in frame. There's a little bit of work to do, but seeing this stuff, I don't feel quite as bad about what I'm doing to it anymore. I am excited. Oh jeez, look at that. Oh, it's all gonna get caught on fire, for frig's sakes. Rad. Yeah, I got all the sensors that I got to pull out of the head and put them in the Volkswagen, or adapt them to the Volkswagen. Yeah, I got quite a bit of work to do, but it's gonna be all worth it once it's diesel powered and solid axle swapped. Oh yeah. Anyways guys, that'll do it for today, so thanks for watching, and until next time.